Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage FTP users in Plesk. So let's get started. So what you see on the screen right now is I am logged into my Pen Publishing Interactive account. I have a couple services here. I have Windows hosting and Linux hosting. For the purposes of this video, I am going to go through my Linux web hosting plan that I already have. So I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to hit login to Plesk control panel. And here is all the sites that I have set up in Plesk. I am going to use the testpenpubtutorials.com setup that I have to create my FTP user. So in Plesk, and your screen might look a little different, but for the most part, the steps are going to be the same. Just find the FTP Access link here. Now, some of this can be collapsed. As you can see, you can collapse and uncollapse those. I already have that open, so I'm going to hit FTP Access. And in here, I can see what users I have currently set up for these accounts. So all you have to do is add an FTP account, and I'm going to create one. And the next step is if you want to allow this FTP user to only have access to a certain directory on your site. Right now it can access everything, all the directories that I have under my account. So to do that, you can just click the browse icon, select the directory you want. For instance, in my situation, I only want them to be able to manage the files that are under test.penpubtutorials.com. So I want to select that. I want to hit OK. And then I am going to have Plesk generate a password for me, and I can show there. And then I'm going to hit OK. And there is my test FTP user that I created. And it, as you can see, they can only manage this files that are under this directory. Now, say you set this up and you want to allow them to manage more than just that directory. You just click on here. And you can change this, and I'm just going to allow them to do all of it. HTTP docs, or the equivalent would be this, and I just hit apply. And now that is complete. So that is how easy it is to create FTP users in Plesk. I hope this video has been beneficial. If you want to learn more about our services and products, please visit our website at penpublishing.com. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and you can enjoy more of these videos as we release them. Thank you, and until next time.